Hello, welcome to AyaansMath Olympiad. So the question is given x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 minus 3x square y square equal to 616. X square minus y square plus xy is equal to 28. Then find the value of x square minus y square by x square y square. So those who are new to this channel, like this only logical problems, Olympiad and tough problems will be uploaded from this channel. So those who didn't subscribe, they subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. So here, before going to the question, pause the video for 10 seconds and check whether you can do this problem or not. So here some logic is there. So first of all, we'll go to the solution. Given x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 minus 3x square y square is equal to 616. So here it is a plus b whole square form you will write down. X square whole square plus y square whole square minus 2x square y square minus x square y square is equal to 616. So up to here it is the formula a plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b whole square formula. So you can write it as x square minus y square whole square, x square minus y square whole square minus, this can be written as xy whole square is equal to 616. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this is the a value, this is a value, this is b value. So here a plus b what will get? X square minus y square plus xy. Now what will get? A minus b, x square minus y square minus xy is equal to 616. Now in the problem it is given this value is 28. 28 into x square minus y square minus xy is equal to 616. So from this we will get x square minus y square minus xy is equal to 616 by 28. So it is going 22 times. 22 times here it is going. So here you can write x square minus y square is equal to 22 plus xy. Okay, now from second equation, x square minus y square you can write it as 28 plus 28 minus xy. 28 minus xy. See the second equation what is given? X square minus y square plus xy is equal to 28. From this you can get x square minus y square is equal to 28 minus xy. Here you can make them equal. So what will get? 22 plus xy is equal to 28 minus xy. So here you will get here you will get 2xy is equal to 2xy is equal to 6. So xy value is 6 by 2. You will get 3. Okay. Now what is required? So here what is required is x square minus y square by x square minus y square by x square y square. So x square minus y square you can write as 22 plus xy. Here you got 22 plus xy, that I am writing. Otherwise you can take this one also, no problem. 22 plus xy by xy whole square. So it can be written as 22 plus 3, xy value is 3. Xy value is 3 by xy whole square means 3 whole square. So the answer is 25 by 9. I hope you like the video. Subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansMath Olympiad.